it's Kezzy over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kezia and I'm so happy that you found my channel, and if you like what you see and if you like me obviously, which I hope you do, I hope you can join my lovely subbies over here in my little corner, I guess you could say. And you could also press the notification bell button which will notify you every single time I post a video. If you don't want to miss a video. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay. You know what I'm saying. Today's video is an exciting one because I am going to be unboxing the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Vault collection, I guess you could say. So basically, Makeup Revolution each year come out with various things in their Christmas shop, and one of these things is this right here. Let me just try and, okay.
Yep, this is happening, alright.
And it's this one right here. So my mom actually bought this for me, and she bought this for me for my birthday. Kind of wanted to do an unboxing, and also because, you know, it's Christmas soon, so yeah, why not? But I would like to thank my mom for this. I really appreciate it, and she's so sweet, and she's been telling me,
Kezia, when are you gonna show my gift on your YouTube channel? And I'm like,
you have to wait until Christmas. Because it's a Christmas box, so it would make sense if I would post it in the Christmas, and she doesn't understand that, but thank you, Mom, if you're actually seeing this. And if you're not, shame on you. Okay, so basically we're gonna unbox this box together, okay? So I'm just gonna give you a wee bit of information. So you can still obviously buy it on the so on the Revolution website in their Christmas shop, and right now it's going for 75 euros, which is quite worth it because you get a lot of palettes. You get the Salted Caramel Palette, which I'll show you all these palettes. So you get the Salted Caramel Palette, the S'mores Palette, which is exclusive, as well as the Cranberries and Chocolate Palette, the Lemon Drizzles Palette, Macaron Palette, Strawberry Cheesecake Palette, which is also exclusive, Mini Face Praline Palette, Chocolate Strawberry Face Palette, and 3 lip glosses, Praline, Salted Caramel, and Chocolate Cherry. So in my opinion, you get quite a bit. So yeah. So I'm going to show you the box, okay? So the box comes like this. And you have, you know, this paper which shows you what you get in the box. And then you get this big chocolate box, which I have no idea where I'm gonna put in my room, but yeah, and then you open it, and mine actually came a little bit damaged. And so the palette comes like, sorry, the box comes like this, and these are all the palettes that you get inside the box, plus 3 lip glosses over here, and then also, oops, 2 face palettes. So as you can see, mine came a little bit damaged, but at least the palettes are all safe and sound. I'm just going to show you each of the palettes and what they look like, and yeah. So actually in my next video, I'm actually going to be trying out one of the palettes, which is exclusive to the to Revolution. It's the Cranberries and Chocolate Palette. So obviously be sure to be subscribed to my channel so you will see that video when it comes out. So let's start with actually the Cranberries and Chocolate Palette. So the look I have on today on my eyes is basically from this palette right here, the Cranberries and Chocolate Palette, and it just comes like this. So you get quite a bit of like berry shades, as well as nude brown shades and shimmer shades as well. So yeah, make sure to be subscribed to my channel because I will be reviewing this one, telling you what I think of the palette. So yeah, that is the first palette right here. And then we get this one, which is sort of a classic of theirs. I believe it is like one of the first chocolate heart palettes that I Heart Revolution had released. So this is the Salted Caramel one. As you can see, it still comes with a brush, because that's how they used to do them before, and they used to get like this paper thing, this plastic thing with all the names of the shades, but now thankfully they've changed it and they've put the shade names on to the palettes. And this is Salted Caramel. If I'm not mistaken, this is like a dupe to the Too Faced one of their palettes, I think. So yeah, this is it. I think it is like the semi-chocolate. I think it was the not the Too Faced chocolate bar, but the semi-chocolate, if I'm not mistaken. I could be mistaken, but I think so. So this is it. So you have quite a lot of like brown shades again, but then you have like this blue shade over here and this pink shade, this ice frosted pink shade, which is gorgeous. I could swatch some for you. Not as pigmented as I hoped, in fact, but it is buildable. So the shade called Cake, which is the pink frosted one over here, is not as shimmery as I hope, but I think it would be buildable because I am building the swatch right here. But basically this was the Salted Caramel palette, and then we have this one, which is another exclusive of theirs if I'm not mistaken, is the Strawberry Cheesecake Palette. Yeah, so this one is completely pink, which is gorgeous. Like the packaging of them, they're just so nice. I already have some I Heart Chocolate palette, and I really love them, but how they're doing them now is much more, it's better. Even the formula, I find it's better. And I also like how you have a mirror and then you also have the shade names on the box rather than on that paper. So yeah, so this is, and they also smell, this smells really nice. So this is the, what's this one's called? Strawberry Cheesecake Palette. So it's very like bright and light and pink and girly if you ask me. And let's see which one I would swatch. So let me swatch Sugar. So this is Sugar. Ooh, see, this swatch is better than Cake from the previous palette. So as you can see, something in the formula has definitely changed, and it's better because it's more pigmented than the previous shade, Cake, from the other palette. So this is Strawberry Cheesecake. I really can't wait to dive into this palette. And then the final exclusive one to the, to this chocolate vault is this one right here. I mean, look at that. That is just gorgeous, isn't it? So this is the S'mores palette, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, so this is the S'mores palette, and it just comes like this. It has such a lovely brown tones, and you have like a gold shimmer over here, and you know, and golds over here. Just beautiful. And okay, I mean, in my opinion, there's kind of too much brown going on over here, but I guess you'll make it work, and I guess that's why they wanted to call a S'mores palette. But in my opinion, yeah, they did too many browns, if you ask me. I wish they would have included other shades in this palette rather than just browns, but we can swatch. Ooh, let's swatch Sweet Tooth. Okay, let's swatch Sweet Tooth. Ooh, Sweet Tooth looks gorgeous. Yeah. Sweet Tooth is a nice frosted white shade. I think this would look lovely in the inner corner. So those were the three exclusive palettes plus the OG. And then we have two of the newer palettes that they had released, but they're not exclusive to the Chocolate Vault collection. And it's this one right here. It's the Lemon Drizzle palette. So it just comes like this. I personally think that this is my favorite palette out of all the Vault collection, because you get so many mustard shades, and then you get like a purple shade, you get a bright orange red shade, and in my opinion, look, see, there's already like these browns in this palette, so the S'mores palette had too many browns. So like seeing this, these browns in this palette is more than enough, and they mix it up with other shades as well. So yeah, I can't wait to try this one out because it is gorgeous. The final palette is the final eyeshadow palette.
It's showing me to get managed.
So the final palette from the Chocolate Heart Collection eyeshadow, meaning eyeshadow palette, is the Macaron, and oh my god, it's so cute. The packaging of all of them are really cute. And this one right here, and kind of when I opened it, I kind of smashed that shade. That was my fault, not the box. This didn't come like that, but it was totally my fault. But yeah, as you can see, this has more of like a blue, green, still browns again, but lighter shades, and this like lovely sort of jade green shade as well. So yeah, I like this. And you also have another like sugar coated frosty white. Let's just swatch this one, which is called Num Num. So this is Num Num. Where am I gonna swatch it? Okay, I'll swatch it there. Oh, That shade is gorgeous. So yeah, if you want to see me review each of these palettes, let me know. I've already filmed one using this, the cranberries and chocolate one, which will be the video coming out after this video, and you can see my thoughts on the palette. But if you want to see me test out each of these palettes, I would love to do so, because I think like Revolution is so inexpensive, but their quality is good. Okay, yes, you have like sometimes hits and misses from them, but at the same time they're so good. And yeah, you save quite a bit of bucks, you know, just buying this one. So yeah, so that was the Macaron palette. And so now we also have two, ooh wait, because you got stuck over there. We also have like these two mini palettes right here, which are adorable. They're so cute. So we have Praline and Chocolate Strawberry. So let's look at Chocolate Strawberry. So you get like a bronzer shade and then a blush shade. But what I don't like is that the blush shade is sort of a shimmer shade. So it's not really a matte shade. And as you can see, it's very shimmery. So I don't know how that will apply, but I'll just probably try and apply just a little bit of it. But then you have the bronze shade over here, which looks really good and matte. Nice and matte, just how I like it, as you can see over there. So yeah, and I like how they also come with tiny mirrors as well. And I just love the packaging of them. And this one is the Praline palette. And if I'm not mistaken, you get a highlight. Yeah, so this is the highlight shade. And again, then you get a, I don't understand what the point of this is. But like, if you don't like shimmer blushes, I don't understand. But oh well, we'll try. So as you can see, this is a lovely blush. It's actually quite pretty. It's very metallic, as you can see. But then this is the highlight shade. I have to try the highlight shade. So this is the highlight shade. They feel so soft as well when you like try and like swatch them. And that's the highlight shade. It's quite a very frosted yellow sort of. But yeah, I just love the packaging. It's so cute. But then besides the palettes, you also get 3 lip glosses, and I will show you swatches of the 3 lip glosses. Now, I personally don't like lip glosses, and I wish they included matte lipsticks instead, but what you gonna do? I'm actually gonna try one today. I'll try this one. So this one is shade Praline. So I'm gonna try this on my lips. I like their smell, a nice scent to them, and I like them. They're not actually sticky, which is kind of good. So this is Praline. So it was like a very nice nudie pink. And then we have this one, which is called Salted Caramel. So let's see Salted Caramel. Oh, this is like a very dark nude lip gloss. But I like the fact that they are not sticky. That is definitely a plus from me. And then we have this one, which is called Chocolate Cherry. This is going to be a lovely shade. Yeah, I thought so. It's like a wine burgundy shade. So yeah, I kind of liked how Praline actually worked out on my lips. So I'm really bad at swatching things, so maybe that's why I haven't like swatched all the shades of all the eyeshadow palettes. But I just wanted to give you a mini rundown if you are interested in buying the Chocolate Vault collection from Makeup Revolution, or you know, if you are wanting it for Christmas or whatever. So this is what it actually includes for the price of it, which is 75 euros. And for all of this, you get quite a hefty amount of product. I mean, considering you get literally 6 you get 6 whole eyeshadow palettes, then you get those 2 mini palettes and 3 lip glosses. In my opinion, you get quite a number of things, which is worth that 75 euros. The packaging of it is cute as well. I mean, it's nice to have, and if you want to keep it, it would be nice to put on display on your room or anything, but I have no space in my room, so I have no idea where the hell I'm gonna put it or if I'm gonna take it out. But mine came a bit damaged, as you can see. Don't know if I'm gonna drop everything. As you can see, mine came a bit damaged. So yeah, so this was a mini rundown of the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Vault box basically. I hope you like this video, and again, if you want to see certain reviews of the palettes, let me know in the comments down below. And again, the next video you will be seeing from my channel, which will be going up after this one, it would be the cranberries and chocolate palette review, so you can see what I thought of the palette itself. But it's the look I'm wearing today is basically I used shadows from that palette, from this one right here. So yeah, so be sure obviously to be subscribed to my channel if you want to see that. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I will join you again in my next video. Bye guys, hope you have a lovely day.